Good morning, all of you. Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, Dahiwadi College, Dahiwadi, Department of Chemistry, which is affiliated to the Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Their student affiliation is very important because when you get pass, then you are applying for job. During that time, affiliation is very important. So our college is affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Now you have started your career in our college right from the 11th class. Now you are entering into the TYBSc. You have seen so many good things in the college. Even though you have a lot of entertainment, joyness in the college through the various activity. But now it is your responsibility that what I want to make in future, because everything that you are doing for your bright future. So being a head of the Department of Chemistry, it is my duty to know the different activity run by the department, different activity conducted in the college, what are the different co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities. All these things, if we come together, it is called as Induction Program. Induction Program means what? Whatever the different activities run at the department, run at the college, done by the students, that is nothing but the Induction Program. So why we have to have this Induction Program? Because you students have a lot of talent. I know that. Even though our area is a drought prone area, lack of water is there, but students are very talented. They are having the very nice innovative idea in their mind. So our duty means our principal Dr. B.T. Jadhav sir and all faculty member of Dahiwadi College, Dahiwadi, they are trying to unlock the science talent of the students. No, we know that you are coming to the college only for betterment purpose. So our purpose is also the same. So whatever the things in your mind, we try to open that things. We are trying to give the platform to that things so that student can develop themselves. Student can participate in different activities so that they will get the platform. Suppose I will give you a very simple example. When you want to talk with your friend or when you talk in front of teacher, during that time we are giving or providing a platform to you. We are always asking you, student, you ask something to the teacher, you ask something to the lab assistant, you ask something to the principal, so that there should have some interaction between two parties. Means you are the students and we are the teachers. So we both are coming together for the benefit of student only. Remember this, and this is the unique things in the universe, that student and teachers or principal when come together, they are always thinking about the good things. They are never thinking about the bad things. So see here student, we teacher faculty are here only for the benefit of you. You don't forget, you don't afraid to meet to the teacher. You don't misunderstand the teacher. You try to understand the teacher. Definitely teacher will understand the students. Now see here, our department means Department of Chemistry. It is sponsored by the DST Department of Science and Technology. Why we are having this? We have this sponsored because we are receiving 50 lakh rupees from the Department of Science and Technology for the development of science wing. This is not only for the chemistry, but it is also for botany, zoology, physics and chemistry. Now we have our own email ID, dcd@gmail.com. Again, we are very fortunate that Department of Chemistry faculty member started the departmental YouTube channel. So whatever lecture will be delivered at the different places or during the online teaching, that will be available on YouTube channel. The name of that channel is DCD. So this is very important things that we have started our own channel. Through this channel, if you have any idea or if you have some topic related YouTube or some recording, definitely that will also publish or that will be also display on our YouTube channel, that is departmental YouTube channel, and it is very good platform to you because near about 150 students for TY basic chemistry is admitted every year. So you will get the platform to show your performance in front of 150 students for TY basic chemistry. Even though some students, lot of students from BSc first and BSc second, that can be observing you or following you, so that you will get very good stage or platform to develop your idea in your mind. So this is about this one. Now if you look at this Department of Chemistry, we know that you have completed BSc first, BSc second, and now you are in BSc third. After completing BSc third, you can join MSc part first, MSc part second, or even PhD, because MSc part first and MSc part first PhD, this program is also conducted in our college. Suppose somebody want to complete his PhD or her PhD in our college, from our college, he can or she can join for PhD at our college. It is only the academic, not only the academic, but also we are having some skill based training course, career oriented course, skill development courses, short term courses. And another important thing is that Government of Maharashtra recognize soil and water testing laboratory for the testing of soil and water sample, because we all students are coming from farmer background. Lot of parents having the farm as a business or profession. Therefore, it is very important to do very high-tech farm, or if you do, or if you take the help of testing of soil, definitely you can survive some fertilizers, or even though you can save the environmental pollution also. So this is very important. Now if you look at the various academic program run by the chemistry department, I am talking about only for the BSc first, BSc second, and thereafter BSc third. Now we know that BSc first having 3 division, BSc second having 2 division, and BSc third we are having 1 division. 120 plus students are admitted to this, and admission is given purely on the basis of merit. Once you completed your BSc, you can join for MSc, and program code is DCD and it is of organic chemistry. We have only 1 division which is affiliated to the Shivaji University Kolhapur, and our intake capacity is 22, and admission for MSc is given through entrance examination of entrance examination for MSc conducted by Shivaji University Kolhapur. Suppose Abhishek got 90% mark at TYBSc, but he failed to attend entrance examination conducted by the Shivaji University Kolhapur. He will not get the admission to the Shivaji University Kolhapur under colleges or affiliated colleges. It means that you have to give the entrance examination. Once you give the entrance examination, then and then you are eligible for getting admission to the MSc at various places under Shivaji University Kolhapur. Now after completing your MSc, first you can join MSc part second, DCD organic chemistry. Again we have 22 seats, and to get the admission for MSc part second, what is the criteria? So you have to clear your MSc, or if you pass in MSc part first or having 80 KT, you will get the admission to the MSc part second. It is not only that things, we have the PhD center also. Once you have finished your PhD and having the B plus or B grade marks, you can pass SET or NET examination, you can enter into the PhD course. Again, to get the admission for PhD course, especially in chemistry subject, you can have entrance examination. You have to finish the entrance examination, and if you got the score into the entrance examination, you can ultimately enter into the PhD course, and it is of at least 24 months duration. If you finish your work within 24 months, you will get PhD degree, and PhD degree is the highest degree in the world, as you know, because thereafter you can have lot of opportunity. It is not only the PhD, but also if you complete only BSc and try to do some work or business or job, you can get it, but you should have the very good talent, good enough talent with you. Now along with this regular BSc chemistry, we are having the different courses for BSc. As I talked about that, our laboratory is soil and water laboratory is recognized by the government of Maharashtra. Means suppose if you analyze soil sample in our laboratory and we are giving the report to the students and farmers, and if that report is submitted to the agriculture officer, definitely we will get the benefit of that different government scheme. So because our laboratory is affiliated to government of Maharashtra or recognized by the government of Maharashtra, on the basis of that we have started career oriented course, which is shortly called as COC course, water and soil analysis, name of that course, and it is of 1 year duration, and it is affiliated to the Shivaji University Kolhapur, and it is sponsored by University Grant Commission, Navi Delhi, and coordinator of this course is Dr. A.U. Chopde, and outcome of this course is that to create awareness in the soil and water analysis as far as students are concerned, because as we are living in a very drought prone area, water quality is not too good to drink in every season, because in case of summer our water quality is becoming very hard and hard and hard. Once you have tasted that one, you are getting the idea about that one, means what quality of water is there, because if you drink quality of water, then you are saving so many rupees or monies, because if bad water is drink by anybody or person, then definitely or she having some problem of stomach, because our water, whatever Mahtal is concerned, that having lot of TDS, and it is very difficult to reduce the TDS very easily. But if you analyze the water, you can definitely have some remedies or solution how to minimize the TDS of that water, so that we can get the very good health or very good hygiene. So this is the main benefit of this one. Along with that water and soil analysis course for the BSc students, BSc third student, we have another course which is called as MSc entrance examination course, and it is short term course. It is of 3 months duration. Look at this, those students having a very good idea in their mind, they are having some ambition, I want to become professor, I want to become a manager. In that case, if you are having a higher qualification, means if you have the MSc degree, definitely you can achieve anything. And I will suggest you and advise you, once you have completed your BSc and if you got 60 plus marks, definitely you don't leave your education at that stage. You try to go for the further education. You will get the job after BSc chemistry, no problem, student. But what is important, you are stopping your education at that level. You don't stop or don't stay at that position only. You try to achieve the higher education, because in near future or in your future, definitely higher education is much importance, because everybody is asking what quality education you have. So for that purpose, we are helping to the students through MSc entrance examination course, which is run at the Department of Chemistry at the regular BSc third course, and it is 3 months duration, and it is affiliated or run by the Rayat Skill Foundation, and Dr. S.D. Bhakre is the coordinator of this course. And what is our outcome for that course is that to prepare for MSc entrance examination, so that lot of students get the opportunity to complete their MSc at different colleges under Shivaji University Kolhapur. Another important thing is that for the BSc third, we have this skill development course. SDC means it is a skill development course, and name of that course is fertilize and pesticide analysis. We know that we are the family background students or society. The lot of farmers are using fertilizer as well as pesticides. So all pesticides are not useful for the health, or how much percentage of pesticide is applied for the crop, that also unknown. So if you have this kind of course, you can definitely get the benefit of what kind of fertilizers are available, and how much quantity of fertilizer and how much quantity of pesticide we have to spray on a crop, that we have to get the judgment for the planning of crops. Now it is of 3 months duration, and it is affiliated to Rayat Skill Foundation, and coordinator of this course is Mr. L.P. Sutar, to make student skillful in fertilizer analysis. Because if you open the packet of pesticide or tin of pesticide, you have been asked that prepare 1% solution or 2% solution. What is meaning of this 1% solution or 2% solution? That kind of preparation of solution can be taught into you in this course. Another, after finishing BSc, those who want to join MSc course at Dahiwadi College, Dahiwadi, we are conducting that short-term course, that is instrumentation operation, and it is of 3-month duration. It is affiliated or run by the Rayat Skill Foundation, and Dr. S.M. Khetre, myself, is the coordinator of this course. What is the outcome? What is usefulness to you for this course, to create a skill in the instrumentation operation? I am proud to say that our Department of Chemistry having full of instruments, and it is waiting for you, because if you work on the instrument, you will get the skill how to operate that instrument. So that kind of course is available with us. Another is, when you are entered into the MSc Part 2nd, you will get short-term course of organic fertilizer analysis. So organic fertilizer analysis of MSc Part 2nd and BSc Part 3rd, fertilizer and pesticide, these two courses are quite similar, but this MSc we have the little bit depth in that course, and Ms. P.R. Mane is the coordinator of that course. And what is the main purpose to put that course is to develop more skill in the students how to analyze the fertilizer. So this is the regarding the various courses available at the chemistry department. Now see here, student, when you are taking the admission to the Dahiwadi College, Dahiwadi Department of Chemistry, during that time you should have some facility, infrastructure facility. Then and then everything will be achieved, otherwise not. If you look at the infrastructure facility of the chemistry department, you will find that we have the 6 laboratory, and we have the staff room, 1 staff room, storeroom, 5 storerooms are there for keeping the different chemicals separately, so that they will not have any accident. Then common facility center, number of equipments, near about 60 equipments are there. We have the 2 software also, and e-books, e-journals are also there, and generally you need to have hard copy of the books. There about near about 616 hard copies are available in that one. Even though we are having the journals, 3 journals are there, e-journals, more than 50 journals are available on website. We do have the very good computer facility, so 2 computers are there. Then 1 LCD, 2 LCD projectors are there, and 1 printer is there, and we have this broadband connection. And we do have the practical labs, 6 practical labs are there for BSc first, BSc second, BSc third, MSc Part 1st, MSc Part 2nd, and we have the separate classes or classroom, BSc first, second, third, then MSc Part 1st, 2nd. Along with that, central library provide a lot of books to you, so that you will get the access of that books through central library. And we are having the book bank facility. This is about the infrastructure of the college. Now the C student, what are the different learning resources available for you? Because if sources are available, then and then you can take the benefit of that. If sources are not available, how can you take the benefit of that one? So that is very bad things. But at the chemistry department, we have the very good facility to learn more about your chemistry. So central library is there where you are getting the book bank facility. Every student get the book bank facility to that central library. Apart from that central library, we do have the departmental library. Near about 100 books are available with us, and we are providing to the students, needy students, those who are require the books, we are providing that facility to the students. Then we have the computer with VPNs, connectivity and printer, then stereo model. In chemistry students, especially TI, BSc and MSc students, three-dimensional picture or three-dimensional molecules are there, and how it is operating and how it is actually working. For that purpose, we are having the stereo models. Through this stereo model, Dr. Chopde sir and other faculty members, they are delivering the lecture through that one, and student understood so many complicated things of chemistry through this model. Then modern instrument, very good instruments with us like AES, so that we can analyze the micronutrient and other type of elements through that one. Then we have this CD library, well-equipped laboratories, LCD projector. Then we have these all required chemicals, because to carry out the practicals, we need to have the more practicals, good quality practicals, good quality chemicals, and department providing all kind of chemicals to the student so that they can complete their practicals work very nicely and will get the very nice result. We have this video lecture facility, YouTube lectures. Department also have its own YouTube channel, DCD. So take the benefit of that channel also. We are uploading our lecture on that. Also, if you have any good idea regarding the syllabus, or if you prepare some presentation of our syllabus, definitely we will also upload that things. So department also have the Instagram. Then department also have its own Telegram. Then we have our own WhatsApp groups. Then we have the blogs where we are having the timetable, schedule, notice of every events. Then student central activities, teaching methodology, participative, experiential, problem solving, extra coaching or extra teaching, just like a slow learners and advanced learner. Then we are conducting seminar, we are conducting CamQs, we are having that project work, we are having the wallpapers, presentation, then sport, then student research, poster, journal as well as presentation. Then we are having the mentor-mentee scheme. All time teachers are trying to help to the student, and student will get benefit through that mentor-mentee scheme. Then we are having that industrial visit, so that student can take the benefit of that industry, so that they can understand what is future in industry. Then we also have the various different type of examination pattern. One is called as internal examination, continuous internal evaluation. In that we are conducting 4 unit tests and 2 midterms, 2 mid-term throughout the year. So it is helpful to the students to get more mark in the university examination. Along with that, we also conduct open book test, then surprise test, then online test. Now this year we definitely conduct more and more online test, because we are now in online due to the coronavirus. Everybody is afraid to the coronavirus, but my dear student, do not afraid to the coronavirus. We try to fight against the coronavirus, so that we can conquer on that coronavirus, and we will enjoy our daily routine life. Then we are having the university examination. 2 semester patterns are there, and we have this university examination, group discussion, model based, project based learning, and PD3 P4 called as project design development demonstration, and prototype production presentation and patent. Because when you talk about that model based learning and project based learning, PD3 P4, these are the very important concept nowadays. because once you have completed your BSc or MSc or a PhD, then it is very important what kind of research you have done during the college life, during the PhD time, and that will decide or that will show you the way different type of job to obtain you. So and our college and department trying to give more facility related to that one. Even though we have this departmental project, we have this Rayat different activity based learning, etc. Now to carry out all these things together very nicely, we do have a lot of manpower, and we are here 16 faculty members, majority having the very good experience as well as different specialization, and they have passed the state net examination, and some are having the PhD degree. Then mentor-mentee ratio, as already I have talked to that what is the purpose of mentor-mentee ratio is to conduct what kind of examination are there, what difficulty you have faced in the examination, what is the syllabus. We are also consulting to the personally to the students. If you have difficulty in the practicals, you can ask to the respective teacher what kind of research you are doing and problem coming into that one. Then sport, project, poster presentation, everything, so many things we are trying to conduct into the students, and it is only for the benefit of you only. Remember here, why I am talking here from the bottom of heart, because you have to take the benefit of each and every facility of the college. Then we are having the internal examination. This is the last year we have conducted this type of examination, and many students attended the examination, means majority of all, and getting the very good score and marks on that one. Then this is the internal examination or result of that one. If you look at the student performance and learning outcomes, it is coming out also this one. Look at this, we got very nice result in the last year. And suppose physical chemistry you are learning at the Department of Chemistry, what is the outcome of that one? Means what kind of benefit we are getting if I learn physical chemistry. Then just you go through this college website, you will get what are the different outcomes of the that particular course is there. You will find that one. It means that we faculty members will not only have the right to become a techno-savvy, but you students also become a more and perfect in the techno-savvy, because you are more talented than the teacher. So it is your job to join and conduct the various program which is run by the Department of Chemistry and the college through online or as well as offline mode. Then online student satisfaction survey regarding the teaching learning process, means what kind of quality of teachers are there, how they are teaching to you in the class, or how they are behaving in the class or environment or in the campus. That kind of question will be asked, and just you go to the college website and fill in this form, and frankly you fill the form, we will get your response over there. Then we have this number of seminar workshop we have conducted at the departments, and every time we are trying to conduct the various function at the department, and all students get benefit of that one, and so many students are participating in that activities. So student centric methods for curriculum development, we have the curriculum development, means we are having the research project for BSc and MSc. Last year we have 52 research project completed by the BSc third student, and definitely all project preserved at the department, and student getting the benefit when they are applying for the job in industry. Then research project, definitely some student of BSc third completed research project, 5 research project, and MSc part second student completed 10 research project. Why I am showing to this, because these are the activity we have to do throughout the years. It is not a one day activity, it is definitely continuous process. So again we are having that Avishkar competition at district level, Tehsil level, or even the college level. Then alchemy poster presentation, then Rayat Avishkar, then water and soil analysis camp as an extension activity. This kind of activity we are carrying out for the benefit of students. Look at this, So these are the again important things that we are conducting various activity to the students for the benefit of you only. So model based learning, already I have talked to you that idea bank is there, innovative cell is there, then campus projects are there, just like a soil and water analysis, Rayat Aviskar is there, everything is there only for you students. So many students of the last year participate in that activity and they get the reward of that one. One of the student of MSc Part 2nd, Somnath Rokde, got the first prize in Aviskar competition held at Shivaji University Kolhapur under the pure science. So this is the good achievement. Definitely his project are useful for getting the job in future also. Jagdar, Monica, Barkade, Ganesh of the last year MSc student, they participated in the various university competition of Aviskar held at various places. And again, these are the some students who achieved achievement in the sport as well as NCC. Some students from NCC, some are from sport. They get the benefit, and every year we are having this kind of things. So student has to take the benefit of all this together. So this is the teacher profile. Already I have talked to you that. So these are the placement. Last year we do have the placement, and student get the service at the various places. Last year 70 student selected in the TCS. Now they are in the job, and some students joined to the MSc at various colleges. Some are from BSc, B.Ed at different places. Some are doing the MBA. So this kind of opportunity is available because of you student only. And just I request you to join us and develop yourself. You have very bright future. So this is my humble request to you. आणि मी आता थांबतो जरा, कारण 1च मिनिट राहिलेला दिसतो इथं. आपण पुन्हा रिजॉईन होऊ यालाच, कारण की 40 मिनिटाचंच आपल्याला फ्री असतं. आणि सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना विनंती, हे क्लोज झालं की लगेच तुम्ही जॉईन व्हायचे.
इंडक्शन घेतलं
पहिले लेक्चर ठेवायचं.
माने सर म्हणजे सॅलरी बाळू मोबाईल पाठवली तर त्या आपल्या बाटलीत अर्धा लिटर म्हणजे काचेची बाटली प्रॅक्टिकलला काढलेला अर्धा होतं. त्याचं 1 लिटर केलं ते
कोणाला
माने सर केस माने गेटवरती मार्केट पाठायची तर द्या म्हणते.
त्यांची सही घ्यायची 1 लिटर दिले, कारण की आपण
दिलं 1 वाटली ना आता गेटवर जाऊन बाटली
आपलं कोणाला दिलं हे करा.
सतेशला पण एक दिली, आणि आता मी ती आपलीची आपली बाटली आपल्या प्रॅक्टिकलला काढते त्या बाटलीत होती बाटली, त्याचं 1 लिटर केलं आणि ती भरून घेतली. आणि ती बाळा मिळाल्यावर देणार आहे, पण ते
आता एकच द्या तुर्तास.
माणसं म्हणजे 2 बाटल्या ती बघू बाळा द्या काय म्हणते. ती मला तिथं मागं लागला थांब म्हणते सरांनी विचारलं पैसे
नाही द्या की
असून घ्यायचं माणसं.
काल ह्याचं